These are busy. All right, YouTube. Today's an easy day. Working on some cosmetic shit for the cars. Michael's working on the clapper. And I'm gonna take my headlights off and then...
This shit's far from flat.
Hey, don't be mad at the comments, right? Asshole. This is the little before. Yellowed, fogged up. They probably look way worse in person, to be honest, but we'll do before and after. And we'll do a time lapse and we'll get back to you guys after. We're using this shit.
Give the product review, bro.
It's gonna be a full product review on this 3M headlight restoration kit. We have other stuff. I don't know what Michael wants to use, but whatever he does, I copy. Follow the white man. That's what the history books tell you. Shit! Alright, we'll be back. Headlight brakes to come look at this clapped Ford. No, clapped ass Ford.
Yeah, look at
Cameo.
Don't get this.
You got curb rash?
But you know how you fix that?
You sand it down and paint it?
Black nail polish, bro.
You're ghetto, dude. This guy just got into cars now. Oh, must be nice.
Oh, you got it right there. Yeah, like literally. Sorry, I got the
At least it's a manual. Damn, you got your whole shit in here.
Yeah, I got it replaced today.
Where?
Venus.
The process was too repetitive to record everything, but that's what that is. Sheesh. Let us see it.
This is what not to do right here.
I'm muting the audio. Joke's on you, buddy.
I mean, they can just see for themselves.
Fuck, that looks crispy. You can see my reflection now. Sheesh. What do you think? What do you think, Sam?
It was alright.
Clean, my son.
So day 2. Yesterday we did the headlights. Today we're doing the taillights. So this one's gonna be another short one. So I'm gonna combine these 2 videos, and it's gonna be a fast one. It's just gonna be me tearing shit off. So if you don't want to watch, you don't have to. But if you did, I really appreciate it because those watch minutes really be hitting the pockets. You know what I mean? All right, guys. Time lapse time. Well, yesterday was a major fail. I made the headlights or the taillights slightly less dark, but I would have had to been sitting there for a couple hours to get all this tin off. So looks like I have to spend the money on some new taillights. Shaking my head. Well, at least we got some parts today. I got a cabin filter box from Amazon that I'm gonna open and show you guys what I got. So one thing about me is I love to have the windows down when I drive. I don't care if it's fucking negative 10 degrees outside. Just throw the heater on, windows down, no big thing. So currently the car's driver's side window, the motor is out. So that's why I got. So hopefully this fixes that problem. I got the CD slot car holder, and then some gear oil for the diff fluid that I'm gonna change out, but that's for next week. I'm waiting for the transmission fluid to come. So today we're gonna be doing the window motor, and then doing this is gonna take me 4 seconds, but that's today's video. Well, at least to add on to the last videos, the last 2 fails. So make this video longer than 2 minutes. So let's get into that. All right, y'all, so the GoPro died, so we missed most of what just happened. But I did change the motor and it does work. It's gonna be dark, but let me show you guys. Change the motor, it works. Raw gravy. What else did I do? I actually adjusted the clutch pedal. I watched a YouTube video how to do it because the engagement is way too high. So I fixed it and it's a lot better. I didn't get to the cabin air filter because it's a pain in the ass to do, and I'll do it another day. And obviously I got the phone holder, everything there. So tomorrow, I think I'm gonna bleed the clutch. This video should be relatively long enough to post. So that'll be it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed it, this little stuff that I've been doing in the car, just some kind of like maintenance, regular shit, it's gonna add up, and then that's when the fun stuff comes. Tomorrow I'll probably get a smog, and then I'm thinking about some exhaust mods and an intake, because I heard you get some pretty decent gains from that. But that's for after the smog, because I'm not trying to have any complications with that. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.